Hello everyone, welcome to new video. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to make a game pass on your Roblox. It's a pretty quick and easy method, so I hope you follow all the steps and do not skip the video. So without wasting your time, let's get started. First, make sure the Roblox is already installed in your computer. Just open your Roblox. Then you can see the top left corner the more button. Click this and then click the create button. And now you can see, click the creations, then click the profile, now scroll down and you see the passes option. Click the passes, then create a pass. Now you can choose any image, change your image, so I do not change this image. You can choose and then name your game pass just as like. Also you add any descriptions as you want, then click the create a pass. It's a pretty quick and easy method to create a game pass. I hope this video is helpful to you. Please subscribe my channel and like my video.